Hello everyone. So today in this class we are going to discuss the relationship between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so the relation is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Okay, so let us solve one example. Okay, so we have to convert 100 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Means 100 degree Fahrenheit means how much degree Celsius. Okay, so we will use this formula or this equation, that is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. Okay, so now I have to put this degree Fahrenheit value in the place of degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so degree Fahrenheit is 100, therefore 100 is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. So we have to find out this degree Celsius value. Okay, so next step is, so here on this side this plus 32, when it come on this side it will become minus 32. Therefore 100 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius. Okay, so 100 minus 32 is 68 is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius. Okay, so now because I need to calculate this degree Celsius value, I have to send these values towards this. Okay, the next step is, so this 5 which is at denominator, it will, when it goes on this side it will become multiplication. Okay, so 68 into 5. Okay, so 68 into 5 and this value will come to the denominator. Okay, so 68 into 5 divided by 9 is equal to degree Celsius. So 68 into 5 is 340. So divided by 9 as it is equal to degree Celsius, and it's 340 divided by 9 value is 37.77. Okay, degree Celsius. Therefore 100 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 37.77 degree Celsius. Thank you.